Can I have another brownie?
Colton, I already gave you one.
My mom said I could have 2.
No, she did not.
I hate you.
Ooh, we don't want to say that.
Take me to the park.
No.
Ugh, why?
Because it's 10 p.m. and you're supposed to be asleep.
But I wanted to play with the toy that mom bought me for Christmas.
You mean your deluxe PlayStation?
No, I mean the drone she bought me.
And yet this woman can't afford to give me $15 an hour.
Huh?
What? Nothing.
You're not even doing anything.
I'm trying to write a paper.
Take me outside.
No.
Why?
Because you're very disrespectful.
Well, you're stupid, you're ugly, and you have no friends.